Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Shiprocket with WooCommerce in 2024. Shiprocket is an excellent shipping solution that helps you manage deliveries efficiently at and lowercase. Of course, if you run an online store with WooCommerce, integration Shiprocket can streamline your shipping processes, allowing you to manage orders, tracking shipments, and more with ease. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. As an example, if we go to this URL section, type like here ship rockets and the enter button, we'll find ourselves in here. So as an example, India's most used e-commerce logistics and shipping software solution for the best courier service. So you can try it for free, of course. So just go and click on it as an example, and which will take you to the home screen or main screen right away. So in here, you can go to the top right corner, click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you can always just go and click on try it for free to create an account. As you can see, you can log in using Google, Shopify, and number. So the same will be for signing up. Of course, if you're just signing up, if it's your first time, don't use a buyer. As an example, you're not here to track an order, so you're a seller, right? And yeah, as we said again, you can use like WhatsApp, which is a number, Shopify, or Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So for me, I'll just go and choose my Google account or use my Google account. And as you can see, by continuing, or as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, or preference, and profile picture with Shiprocket. You can see the privacy policy and terms if you want it. For me, I'm not going to. Of course, make sure to see it. It's actually very important. And then you'll have to enter like a number to receive a verification number. So in here, for me, I'll just enter like a number. I don't know if it's still working for me. So I'll have basically to check if it's the right one. Of course, so I guess it's like that, like before even checking. Should be something like that, maybe. So 2, 4, 8, and 10. Okay, I'm having like. So let me just do and redo it. This is, I guess, 10 digits, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So I don't know why it's not even accepting. But anyway, here, let me just go as an example. So I'm gonna do this, and it should be, yeah, I'll need just to change this from this to this and this. So yeah, here, of course, let's just add, of course, so I cannot add the code number. Okay, so they add like +9 automatically. So it seems like you will, or you are required to have an Indian number for the following. For me, I don't have an Indian number, so I'll not be able to do that, it seems. Let's just try to log in with Shopify. I don't know if it will work. Or create an account using Shopify. Why not? So yeah, click on this account and let's see if they will ask me for a number again. If they ask me for a number, I'll not be able to use it. So there's no page at this address. What? Maybe because there's no store. Yeah, all the stores are unactive. So let me just go and click on here, skip all, click on next, and basically try to connect it. I'm trying to create an account with Shopify, example, to like buy skip basically, or skip the number or enter a number. So let's just see if it's gonna work. So yeah, Shopify here again. Yeah, or they have now a store. Click on it. This app is not compatible with your store. Shiprocket e-commerce, as example, is compatible with stores that's in here. So yeah, India, US, and etc. All those countries. Yeah, so it's fine. Basically, you'll need a number to log in into it, but it's fine as we said. So basically, now what you'll need to do, of course, is go to your WordPress. Of course, for me, I'll just open my local host. If you don't have the WooCommerce plugins already installed, make sure to go and install this example. And yeah, you'll also need to go and install, once you create your accounts, you'll need to go and install the Shiprocket plugin in WooCommerce as well. So you can go to this last panel, plugins, add new, and let's just wait. So here, go to search plugins, just type ship new, or not ship rockets, of course, not ship new. What I'm saying, so rocket like that. And yeah, as you can see, here is it. So compatible, everything's good. Ship rockets, auto sync your WooCommerce stores, example orders, ship them at lowest shipping rates, automate your shipping and save time and money. So click on install. And of course, what's installing, you can go here and read the description, example about it. You can see the how to install it basically. Change log, what they changed in previous updates, screenshots, how it's gonna look like, an example. You can see everything in here. On those screenshots, like example, you'll find WooCommerce where you can add it with your Shiprocket. And yeah, basically that's how you connect it. They show you here in the screenshots. No need even for this. An example, you can even see here see the reviews of other people. So you can see why, example, some people given us 1, some people given us 5. So it's up to you to decide. And once installed, click on activate. And oops, you're trying to install the plugin without activating WooCommerce. Yeah, so for me, I don't like have WooCommerce here. So install plugins, example, WooCommerce is not activated for me. I'll have to click on activate, but I'll not be able to activate because I have a bad or an old WooCommerce version, so I'll not be able to do it correctly. But for you, of course, just go and click on activate on this Shiprocket, as we said before. So once you click on activate, of course, you can just go and connect it. How to connect it, as you said, they even show you here in the screenshots. So you have to go here, channels, then you'll find here WooCommerce, click on add, and they'll tell you basically to enter the URL of your store, connect to your store, click on approve, and it will be connected. And yeah, that's how you integrate Shiprockets with WooCommerce. You can now configure the Shiprocket settings, set up the shipping methods, set up the labels and tracking, test the integration, and yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.